Hey friends, if you wish to open the event viewer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, there are many methods, but the easiest one is to simply search for event viewer in the Windows search bar and open the event viewer. It's as simple as this. I do not even use any other method. And you will be able to access the event viewer. You will be able to check the logs. You will be able to check Windows logs, okay, related to applications, related to security incidents, the setup, the system, the forwarded events, and all. So this is the easiest method, but there's another method in which you press the Windows key and the R key and type the command event VWR and hit enter. This will open the event viewer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.